here we displayed our machining center model 1370V particular machine. This model is specially suitable for your mold making and die casting and all the steel metal removal application. The specification point of view, the machine having a travel of 1300 mm in the X travel and Y-axis 700 mm in the Y-axis, and Z-axis we are offering around 700 mm in the Z-axis. And the spindle point of view, we are offering BT40 and BT50. Here we displayed a BT40 with the 8000 RPM direct driven spindle, specially for mold making application. At the same time, we can offer BT50 also. The load carry capacity, almost 1.5 ton load carry capacity we can load on the machine, and the table size, it is 1450 by 700. And here we are having the option with the 24 tool ATC, so customer can use the mold making application in the automated process. And the controller point of view, we are offering FANUC controller and Siemens controller and Mitsubishi controller. So all three controller we will offer. Here we displayed our Mitsubishi M80V. So this is a recent version. The machine comes with a 10.4 touchscreen, and we can offer with the 2020 blocks per second liquid blocks, and the triple option is available. CAC, constant surface control, and super surface smooth function, and MC2. All the option is readily available for mold making application. And the speciality of this machine, any power failure happen, auto retraction option is available, auto restart option is available. So whenever any power goes, so your component, it will not get any drop down in the, or any quality issues, it will not come in the component point of view. So the customer can use this particular model especially for plastic injection mold, die casting and hard forging and your general engineering application. Welcome all visitors to visit AceMicromatic Hall at E42.